Back on the vlog. Nick, an Asian Noah. And let me tell you, boy, do we have an adventure for you today.
Man.
If you didn't know from the title, we're taking our 2 jet skis across Lake Michigan. Across Lake Michigan.
What better shirt to have?
Yeah, what better shirt to have than Lake Michigan unsalted, guys? I just can't even comprehend the content that is coming your way. Check this out. Run. Shotgun, I'm driving. Look at this. Oh my gosh, we're taking them all the way to Chicago. We're gonna have the time of our lives. Nick, oh, shot of the century right there. Before we give you too much information, we're gonna hop on the road. We got an hour and a half drive. Unlock the door. Oh, you're right. I got the keys. Pow. And we are off. Michigan City, here we come. We've caught a wild banshee over here, boys and girls. He's shaving his face in the car. See you later, Gramps. I'm gonna do a small caramel frappe and 2 egg McMuffins. Thank you. Lake Michigan, boys and girls, let's go. I'm ready. This is gonna be ridiculous. We are going to Chicago on these bad boys. Look who decided to show up and surprise us. My mom. Unbelievable. Can't go anywhere alone. We're finally in the water, boys. All right, we're off. See you later. We're freaking going to Chicago. Oh my goodness. All right, let's give you a little rundown of what we're doing exactly. We haven't had a chance to do that yet because we were too tired. So, we are currently in Michigan City. We are going 40 miles across the lake to Chicago. We are just barely gonna make it on gas. We got one strapped to the back of the big jet ski. This isn't dangerous at all. I mean, it's not like we can't do it. It's only 40 miles. People drive jet skis across the lake all the time.
No, they don't.
No, they don't. They definitely don't. We're gonna be the first though, and we're gonna show you how it's done. Hey, we're taking these jet skis all the way to Chicago. Wish us luck. Thank you. That's my mom right there. She's meeting us in Chicago. All right, we're on the open lake. We are on the open lake. We cannot see anything in the distance. Let's hope we can find our way to Chicago. There's Noah with the gas on the back. Let's hope we make it. See you, Michigan City. Go that way. We're gonna head left. There you go. There we go, Chicago. We are actually 11 miles in, and we have, what do we have, 28 miles left? 28 miles to go. The open sea! Oh, yeah! Middle of nowhere, middle of no man's land. You can barely see the shore in the distance, just barely, but we're gonna... All right, water break. We brought the life straw. We can't afford to bring water. We don't have enough space. Just dip and suck, that's all you gotta do. Oh yeah, drink up, boys. We got plenty of it here. It actually doesn't taste that bad. Suck it up! Let's see what this bad boy's. We got some power out here in Lake Michigan. Still on a full tank, that is good news. Let's go. See you in Chicago, boys. I don't get it. Like, we are on Lake Michigan, driving across Lake Michigan. I think it's too bad, boys. definitely still in the middle of nowhere. All right, we can't even see Chicago yet, and we can hear Lollapalooza going on. That is ridiculous. We are 20 miles. We're exactly halfway. So any minute now, Chicago should be coming up. We are 20 miles, so we are halfway. Are we? What's the gas at?
This one's at full.
Dude, we didn't even need to bring all this extra crap. We're definitely dumping it off when we get there. That is crazy. I did not realize we were so close, but yet so far away. You can just barely hear the boom, boom, boom of the bass, and it's ridiculous. All right, Noah, give me my McChicken. Nothing like an Egg McMuffin from McDonald's in the middle of the lake. All right, Bub, give me the best screamer you possibly have in those little lungs.
That was it?
Wow. Sucks there's no one around to help. We literally haven't seen a thing in miles. Nick, I'm gonna throw you this Egg McMuffin. It's gonna be a phenomenal throw.
No, but my hands are still wet.
Trust me. You ready? This is gonna be the throw of the century. If he catches this McMuffin, it's gonna be wild. One more bite, because that's pretty good right there. Are you ready, Bob?
No.
1, 2, 3. Yeah! Take a bite! Take a bite! Yeah!
McDonald's eggs are sick.
But we gotta go, the sharks are coming. Go, go, go! Hey, we're listening to fire music. We're on the lake. We're going to Chicago, and we're staying up late. Hey, Nick's rapping the. Oh, hey! Ah! We are 30 miles in. We can see Chicago in the distance. 10 miles to go. Let's go! All right, boys and girls, you guys want to see something freaking out of this world? You ready? 3, 2, 1. Check it out. Chicago! Hold up on the jet skis, the Lollapalooza! Beautiful. I like the wide arm spread. Woohoo! Hey, we're right here at the end of the Navy Pier. Can you open the gates for the Chicago River?
Yeah, you wait for the light to turn green.
All right, thank you, sir. Appreciate it. We'll be here. You boys got any beer over there? Oh my God, we're sick. We're kidding, obviously. We would never drink. No, we got the green light. Downtown Chicago, here we come. Sweet, we're gonna definitely be the coolest kids in town here. No doubt about it. All right, we are currently waiting for them to open the gates. We've been here for about 10 minutes. A little frustrating, but we're in Chicago on the jet ski, so I can't be mad about it, you know? All right, she is opening, slowly but surely. And we're off through the gates. Check out that contraption. That's the gate right there. It's like a little circle. It comes in and out. Pretty sweet. What's up, touristers? You guys having a good vacation? Good to hear. Lakeshore Drive. What's up? We're from Michigan. How you doing? We're from Michigan. Yep, all the way. Drove all the way from Michigan. Check out
And now the moment we've been waiting for is here.
Sick. What up, Noah? Hey, that's a tall building right there. Trump Tower.
I have something to tell you.
Yeah! Definitely gonna be the best video ever made, so make sure to subscribe and put your post notifications on.
Hit that like button. Get us.
Hit the like button. We're going viral. I mean, how could we not? Look what we're doing right now. Hey, you guys want to race? No racing? Wow, they don't want to race us. They're too scared to lose. Michigan Ave Bridge. DuSable Bridge. This is the DuSable Bridge. DuSable? We're from Michigan. The Trump Tower.
Billions and billions and billions.
Everyone's waving at us. Why are we so cool right now?
We're just as cool as that guy right there.
No, we're way cooler than him. We got 2 jet skis. Oh, I can't handle you.
buddy. You guys can't really see, but Sears Tower is right next to it.
Whipper. Got it. All right, we are almost back out of the Chicago River. We're sick of cruising. We're ready to hit some waves or something.
And billions
Yeah,
and
window
billions
wash.
and
You better watch
billions
Trump's
and
building
billions
for 'em.
and billions and
Come on, you got a
billions
couple
and
more windows to
billions
go.
and billions.
Look how tall that building is. That is ridiculous. It's even going taller. They're making it bigger, aren't they?
Oh yeah, bigger than the one.
Still under construction. We're leaving the Chicago River right now. There she is from behind. Kirby's with us here. We got her on FaceTime. Wave to the vlog. What's up, Kirby?
I can't see her.
Can't see it very well, maybe. I don't know. You might be able to, but she is in Chicago with us. She decided to come along on the digital side of the spectrum, I guess. Hey, break it down, Bo. Break it down. Don't give it to him. There you go. Woo-hoo! Chicago coast. Can't even fit all the buildings in the frame.
Of course not.
Why would you? It's huge. We are pulling up here to fill these bad boys up with the gas cans we brought. Lollapalooza is actually happening right beyond those trees. Let me help you out there. Lollapalooza is actually happening right beyond those trees. We cannot see it because the trees are in the way, obviously, but you can hear it. All right, we are completely empty on gas. Besides in the jet skis, we emptied out all the gas cans. We got 5 gallons there and 2 5-gallons in the stow compartment. And wish us luck. We're heading back right now. Farewell, Chicago. We will be back. Now, we are going out there, 40 miles into the abyss. Here comes the police chopper. They're coming overhead. 12, 50, 50, 50. Run, run, run. We're going back to Michigan! Oh yeah! Say goodbye, Chicago! Holy Lord, look at that way! Oh, oh! Alright, let's see what Noah's got. Oh my gosh! He was huge! He was huge! Go, go, go! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at him! He's a freaking legend! He's out of control! Oh yeah! We are just over halfway. Chicago is gone and Michigan City is almost here. I'm wearing my ski goggles because my eyes kept watering, so here we go. All right, boys and girls, we have made it back to Michigan City. Chicago is absolutely nowhere to be seen. We have a long drive ahead of us, and we are about to get on the road.